is my baby. She's 9 years old. She's a Chihuahua Bull Terrier. My sister rescued her about 9 years ago from a farm. She was only a few weeks old when we got her. But recently, supposedly, the veterinarian diagnosed her with a heart murmur. I'm not sure which stage it is. Right now she's just sleeping, but she does have labored breathing. It would sound like she's snoring, but that's definitely labored breathing. I love her so much. I used to take her up hiking in the mountains every day. I live here in Hawaii, and I would take her hiking every day. Literally 40-minute hike every day. And a 40-minute hike, that's a long hike. Maybe like 2-3 miles up the mountain to the waterfall. And this girl, she's a explorer. She's the best dog ever, man. I love her so much. She is such an adventurer. I took her everywhere with me up in the mountains. She helped my sister when she was in a bad relationship. She was a comfort dog to my sister, and my mom. She was a comfort dog to my mom also when my grandma passed away. She helped us all through grieving and mourning. Oh yeah, she's such an amazing dog. She loves people. She loves children. She's not a bad dog at all. She's amazing. Yeah, Emmy. Emmy, we go walking? Yeah, you wanna go walking. She loves the word walking, but she doesn't walk anymore because she's just an old lady. But I'm just making this video dedicated to my girl, Emmy. Yeah, my soulmate. I know soulmate sounds crazy, but yeah, she's my everything. I truly believe she's an angel from above, and God created her so perfect for my family. She came in a perfect time. And to be honest, if she does leave, it is a bad time for her to leave because I'm dealing with other issues with family, health, and stuff like that. So it will take a big toll on my family when she leaves, but I'm just trying to stay strong. She's not just a dog. She's a family member. Dogs aren't just dogs, man. Dogs become family members. Dogs are put on this earth for a reason. So yeah, I just want to dedicate this video to my girl, Emmy. 9 years old. Yeah, Emmy. Love you. Okay. Love you, baby. All she does is sleep nowadays. But that's because she has lack of energy. I'm guessing she has fatigue. If you pay attention to her breathing, her labored breathing is obvious. Yeah. Love you, Emmy. One day I'll see you in heaven. We'll be reunited in heaven with all our other dogs. Big girl, yeah.